Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Hey, I'm out doing a hose repair on a project, and I wanted to share this quick little tip that might help somebody out. So let me flip around here. Let me show you what I'm doing. All right, so this is kind of like a makeshift vise. I do have a vise on the truck, but sometimes those teeth are just too wide and it's a little bit difficult to get your hose in there when you're putting fittings on. So this is my go-to. And I'll see if I can set this up. Anyways, no, I'm gonna need both hands. Anyways, find a pocket or something, carry 2 crescent wrenches with you. Find a pocket that you can stick this thing in. So it's tension towards the back there. Let's see here, if I can hold it with my pinky. No, I'm not gonna be able to. Anyways, take your other crescent wrench that's down there and then just simply twist this and you can get a really nice grip on this thing and get this thing tightened down pretty well. So I know this is a shorter video, but if you guys do repairs out in the field, which most of us do, grab 2 crescent wrenches, throw it in a pocket. This works really, really well. If you guys have another tip or something that you prefer that you use for hose repairs or a little tip out in the field, go ahead and share it in the comments, and I hope this helps somebody.